Listening to your inner voice rather than your ego can fundamentally shift your approach to life. In the area of the law of attraction, your vibrational frequency plays a pivotal role in determining the reality that unfolds around you. This concept might sound mystical, but it's grounded in the everyday choices and thoughts that shape our lives. By understanding and adjusting your vibrational frequency, you align yourself more closely with the desires you wish to manifest. Today we'll look into what vibrational frequency really means and why it matters, followed by exploring some foundational knowledge that bridges our understanding with the scientific community. This is not just about thinking positively, but about creating a resonance within yourself that echoes through every aspect of your life. Vibrational frequency, in its essence, refers to the rate at which the atoms and subatomic particles in your body oscillate. Simplified, it's the energy you emit as a result of your mental, emotional, and physical states. Each state you experience, be it joy, sorrow, excitement, or stress, emits a specific energetic signature that the universe responds to accordingly. The law of attraction suggests that like attracts like, therefore your current vibrational state will attract circumstances that resonate with it. Why is this important? Because it puts the power of change directly in your hands. For instance, when you feel happy, your body radiates a higher frequency, and as a result, you tend to attract more positive experiences and people into your life. Holding on to negative emotions like anger or fear can lower your frequency, drawing more negativity toward you. Understanding this principle is the first step in harnessing the law of attraction to create the life you truly desire. The connection between vibrational frequencies and our experience of the world might seem like a New Age concept, but it has roots in quantum physics. Everything in the universe, including our thoughts and feelings, operates at a certain frequency. These frequencies have measurable impacts on our physical reality. Quantum theory posits that the fundamental particles of the universe can exist in a state of potential, and it's only when observed that these particles settle into a fixed state. This parallels how our focused thoughts and intentions can manifest specific outcomes in our lives. It's been observed that positive mental states can lead to better physical health, showcasing a clear link between mind, body, and the quantum field. By understanding that your mental and emotional disposition shapes your vibrational frequency, which in turn affects your physical reality, you gain the insight needed to mold your life's experiences. You start to see that your persistent thoughts and emotions are not just passing states, but are indeed the architects of your reality. Knowing how to identify your current vibrational frequency is crucial for making intentional changes. Begin by examining your regular emotional states throughout the day. How often do you feel genuinely content, and how often are you upset, anxious, or discontent? Pay attention to your physical reactions in these states as well, such as tension, relaxation, or fatigue. These cues are your body's way of signaling your energetic frequency at any given moment. If you find that negative emotions and physical discomfort are more common for you, it's likely that your vibrational frequency could use a boost. On the other hand, if you often feel light, energized, and in a state of ease, you are likely operating at a higher frequency. Recognizing these patterns is the first step towards intentional adjustment and is fundamental to applying the principles of the law of attraction effectively. It's about being honest with yourself and taking stock of where you are right now without judgment. Once you have a clear understanding of your current state, you can take proactive steps to elevate your vibrational frequency. Here are some straightforward strategies that anyone can incorporate into their daily routine. Meditation and mindfulness. Dedicate time each day to quiet your mind and focus inward through meditation. Even a few minutes can reduce stress and align your thoughts to a higher frequency. Mindfulness throughout the day also keeps you aware of your thoughts and feelings, helping you manage them proactively rather than being controlled by them. Gratitude practice. Start or end your day by listing things you are grateful for. Gratitude inherently carries a high vibrational frequency and can shift your focus from what you lack to what you abundantly possess. This shift not only elevates your mood, but also your overall vibrational state. Connection with nature, spending time in nature, can help recalibrate your energy. Natural settings have a natural high frequency, from the serene park to the lively beach. The natural world's harmony can help realign your own energy fields to a similar state of balance. Physical activity, regular exercise releases endorphins and helps clear the mind. Whether it's yoga, jogging, or dancing, movement is a powerful tool for shaking off stagnant energy and elevating your mood and frequency. Listen to uplifting music. Sounds and melodies can profoundly impact our emotional state. Listening to music that uplifts you can be a direct way to boost your frequency. Choose melodies that make you feel good and resonate with the higher state you aim to achieve. By adopting some or all of these strategies, you begin to take control of your vibrational state. It's not about overhauling your entire life overnight, but integrating small, manageable practices that collectively elevate your frequency over time. These actions not only improve how you feel, but also start to draw more positive experiences and opportunities into your life, reinforcing the law of attraction in action. Understanding the influence of physical well-being on your vibrational frequency is crucial. What you consume can either dampen or enhance your energy levels. A diet filled with processed and heavy foods tends to lower your vibrational frequency. In contrast, foods that are organic, fresh, and full of life force, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, help to increase it. Making simple changes, such as incorporating more of these vibrant foods into your meals, can have profound effects on how you feel energetically. Regular physical activity not only improves your health, but also raises your vibrational frequency. Exercise promotes the circulation of energy and blood in your body, invigorates your system, and clears out toxins that might be bogging you down. It's about choosing an activity you enjoy, whether it's a brisk walk, a cycle ride, or a dance class, as joy itself is a high vibrational state. Integrating mindful eating and consistent physical activity into your daily routine can significantly shift your overall energy and vibrational state. Your thoughts and the words you speak carry powerful vibrational energies that can influence your physical reality. Negative thinking can trap you in a low vibrational state, while positive, affirming thoughts can elevate it. It is essential to become aware of your mental chatter and the words you use daily. This awareness is the first step toward change. Start by observing the thoughts that occupy your mind and the language you use, both internally and in conversation. Are they mostly positive, or do they lean towards negativity? Implementing a practice of mindful thinking involves replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. Instead of thinking, "I can't do this," you might think, "I am learning how to do this." It's a simple switch in wording, but can have a powerful effect on your mindset and vibration. Using positive affirmations daily can help rewire your thought patterns. Affirmations such as "I am worthy of good things" or "abundance flows freely to me" are not just words, but commands to the universe, reflecting your high vibrational intent. These practices aren't just about avoiding negativity, but about consciously cultivating a positive, high-frequency mindset that shapes your experiences and realities. Managing your emotions effectively plays a critical role in maintaining a high vibrational frequency. Emotions can fluctuate throughout the day, influenced by various external and internal factors. Learning to stabilize these emotional waves is key to keeping your vibrational level consistent and high. Techniques such as deep breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, and journaling can help in acknowledging and regulating emotions without being overwhelmed by them. Deep breathing, for instance, helps to center your mind and brings you back to a state of calm, effectively raising your vibrational frequency. Each breath invites you to be present and can dissolve negative emotions like anxiety or anger. Similarly, mindfulness meditation encourages you to observe your emotions without judgment, allowing you to detach from the intensity of feelings that might otherwise lower your vibrational state. Journaling is another powerful tool for emotional regulation. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, you give them an outlet, reducing their intensity and clarifying your mind. This practice can transform your emotional well-being and consequently your vibrational frequency, making it a worthwhile addition to your daily routine. So the people you surround yourself with significantly impact your vibrational frequency. Relationships can either be sources of joy and upliftment or stress and negativity. It's essential to cultivate connections with those who resonate with the kind of energy you wish to embody. Positive, supportive relationships reinforce your own high vibrational state, while toxic interactions can drag you down to lower frequencies. Take a moment to assess the quality of your interactions and relationships. Are they enriching your life and contributing to your growth? Do these interactions leave you feeling energized or depleted? Making conscious choices about whom you spend time with can drastically improve your vibrational frequency. Creating boundaries with those who emit lower frequencies is also crucial. It doesn't mean cutting people off abruptly, but rather understanding how much interaction you can have without compromising your vibrational state. It's about striking a balance that allows you to stay centered and aligned with your higher self. Your surroundings have a profound impact on your vibrational frequency. The places where you spend most of your time, like your home or workplace, can either support or hinder your ability to maintain a high frequency. Creating an environment that reflects positivity and peace is essential. This can be achieved through simple steps like keeping your living and working spaces clean and organized, which reduces chaos and enhances clarity of mind. Incorporating elements of nature into your environment, such as plants or water features, can also elevate the vibrational quality of your space. These elements bring a sense of calm and balance, which naturally lifts your spirits and, in turn, your vibrational frequency. The colors you choose for your interiors can influence your mood significantly. Opting for colors that evoke serenity and happiness, like soft blues, greens, or earth tones, can create a tranquil atmosphere conducive to maintaining a high vibrational state. Understanding and actively engaging with your vibrational frequency through practical and mindful strategies is a powerful way to use the law of attraction to your advantage. By taking control of your emotional state, your environment, and your daily practices, you set the stage for a life that not only attracts what you desire, but also sustains those achievements. The journey of maintaining a high vibrational frequency is ongoing and requires dedication, but the rewards are immeasurable and truly transformative. Thank you for joining in today. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about transforming your life with the law of attraction, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies to elevate your vibrational frequency and manifest the life you desire. See you in the next video.